Hi there, I'm Martin. I import Brompton bicycles into Australia and New Zealand. I was introduced to this brand purely by accident, came to love them. We're based in Melbourne, and due to the restrictions in travel, we haven't physically been able to go to Sydney or anywhere else in Australia or New Zealand during the pandemic, so it was a great opportunity finally to go catch up with our dealers and check out all the improvements in Sydney's infrastructure and their attitude towards cycling. They've done some huge changes, and there were some fantastic routes that have been linked up. It's great cycling. Went out to see Sticky Bottle in Brookvale. Caught the ferry from Circular Quay across to Manly, and then caught up with Justin and his team there. First time for me catching the ferry in Sydney with a bike. There's plenty of space, so we didn't actually have to fold them up this time. But the view is spectacular. And it's probably one of the best views from public transport you can get. Sticky Bottle have fairly recently moved to Brookvale. They've got a lovely small warehouse space with Coffee Supreme now occupying the space at the front. And you could also get a haircut. They've got a barber's upstairs at Sticky Bottle also, so yeah, it's a very interesting space. We threw the bikes in an Uber across to Concord West to check out Olympic Park and Cycle World. Yeah, Cycle World has a huge range of bikes for a pretty diverse location that's in. We flew up to Sydney with our bikes. We both took the newly released P-Line Bromptons up, the 4-speed. One in Storm Grey and one in Midnight Black. Yeah, I didn't come back with mine though, unfortunately. Ended up selling it on the way. So far, every trip I've had to Sydney, I've actually been on different Bromptons, so yeah, it's always been a different experience. And Sydney is a lot hillier than Melbourne, so you do need lower gear. Jumped on a train down to Newtown and a short ride from there to Omerfields. Yeah, Omerfields have moved from Redfern up to Alexandria. Got a fantastic new space there with a great new Mondrian-inspired mural at the front, you can't miss them, and a huge range of Bromptons as well as other bikes. And yeah, it was fantastic to catch up with them after not being able to visit due to the pandemic. And after finishing Omerfields, a lovely ride back in the twilight to Potts Point, through Surrey Hills and into Darlinghurst. We'll be at the Classic Bike Show in October and the Micro Mobility Show in November. So we'll see you again soon, Sydney.